Hi guys, I hope you're having a great day so far. My name is Kirti and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, as you already know from the title and from the excitement on my face, it's going to be a Sarojini Nagar haul. Now, before we get into the haul, I want to discuss a few things with you. Now, if you're not interested, I'm gonna mention the timestamp of where the actual haul starts somewhere on the screen as well as in the description box. You can directly jump to that. If you decided to stay and listen to me, thank you so much. So what I'm gonna tell you is just some random things, but it's so important to discuss with you guys. It's that the day I went, it was a Sunday, and what I'm gonna tell you is, please don't go on a Sunday. Sunday ko mat jana yaar. It was so crowded. I cannot even tell you guys. मतलब सैनिटाइजेशन और प्रिकॉशंस और सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग की तो धज्जियाँ उड़ रखी हैं. किड यू नॉट, इट वाज सो क्राउडेड फॉर अ मोमेंट. आई थॉट कि चलते हैं यहाँ से वापस, बट आई इन्वेस्टेड सो मच ऑफ टाइम. मेरे को यहाँ से सरोजनी नगर जाने में इट टेक्स मी 1.5 hours ऑलमोस्ट. सो आई जस्ट डिडंट वांट इट टू बी अ वेस्ट, लाइक माई डे टू बी अ वेस्ट. सो आई जस्ट वेंट अहेड. तो थोड़े से भी लोग कम हो जाते हैं तो इट विल मेक अ मेजर डिफरेंस. सो इफ पॉसिबल ट्राई टू गो ऑन वीकडेज. सी इट्स अ विन विन सिचुएशन फॉर यू. अगर वीकडेज में जाते हो, नंबर 1 थोड़ा सा लेस क्राउडेड होगा, इट्स सेफ. नंबर 2 बहुत ज़्यादा ऐसे लोग फैले नहीं होंगे, सो यू कैन ईजिली गो टू द शॉप्स एंड लुक एट ऑल द पीसेज एंड ग्रैब द बेस्ट ऑफ पीसेज फॉर यू. और जल्दी जाओगे या फिर अदर डेज में जाओगे तो थोड़ा सा अच्छे पीसेस मिल जाते हैं, क्योंकि बहुत सारे लोग नहीं आए होते हैं तो सारे पीसेस नहीं गए होते हैं बेसिकली. ओके, so yeah, that's that. I went to Sarojini after like 1.5 years. The last time I went was in the beginning of winters of 2019. उसके बाद lockdown happened and then अभी मैं जा पाई हूँ. So if you look at my wardrobe, it's like 80% of my wardrobe is t-shirts. T-shirts, like every kind of t-shirt, solid t-shirt, crop t-shirt, this t-shirt, that t-shirt. So this time I went with an objective that I'll try to shop a little bit of like a dressy tops, if that makes any sense. At least non-t-shirt tops. So yeah, that's what I had in my mind. मैंने कोई footwear वगैरह वहाँ से नहीं लिया है because I think I just like to invest in footwears because number 1 they look good, number 2 they last you long, number 3 it's comfortable to wear. Okay, so मैं footwear सरोजनी से नहीं लेती हूँ. I have no experience about footwears. And next thing is मैंने कोई jewelry भी नहीं ली है because मैं पहनती ही नहीं ज़्यादा ज्वेलरी. आई हैव बॉट ज्वेलरी इन द पास्ट वहाँ से एंड दे आर लाइक वेरी डिसेंट ज्वेलरी, नाइस लुकिंग ज्वेलरी, बट मैंने इस बार ही नहीं लिया बिकॉज मैं ज़्यादा ज्वेलरी पहनती ही नहीं हूँ. सो या दैट्स दैट. नाउ लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड विद द हॉल. ओके, सो द फर्स्ट आइटम दैट आई गॉट इज दिस solid colored peach top. Very simple, very minimalistic top. It's a full sleeves top. It just has these ruffle kind of detail going on in the collar and a pearl wala button. That's about it. It looks really nice, very minimalistic yet very stylish. You can pair it with trousers, to office, to party, to anywhere, and it look really nice. I got this one for 200 rupees. The next top is from the same class of color. It's this peach colored top, has this abstract pattern and text going all over. I really like this collar. It looks really cute, very nice. Again, you can pair it with formals, to a party, and anywhere it will look really nice. Again, has sort of a balloon sleeves and full sleeves again. So yeah, really nice. I got this one as well for 200 rupees. The third top is one of my favorite purchases. It's so nice. Is this pastel blue colored ruffle kind of top. It's so nice. It fits me really nicely. It looks so cute. I cannot even tell you. So yeah, it has these. The sleeves are like 3/4 or not 3/4. It fits me right here. It's half. So yeah, it has this tie detail in the front. Very nice. Looks really nice. Anything in pastel, I love it. I have to get it. So yeah, this is the third top. All these tops I got for 200 rupees each and from the same shop. Not even shop, the 30, those stands, and they were for 200 rupees each. Now when I entered Sarojini Nagar, number 1 I was in shock looking at the crowd because मैं बहुत टाइम बाद जा रही थी and मैंने कभी इतनी भीड़ तो नहीं देखी थी सरोजनी नगर में. So मेरे को 30-40 minutes I could not find anything. मैंने इतने इंटरेस्ट से देखा भी नहीं था कुछ, ठीक है. And then I came across this shop and I liked quite a lot of other pieces as well, but I liked these three the most. I got these. So yeah, that's that. Moving on to the next piece is again peach color. It's a very nice full sleeves cropped shirt, very nice, looks really smart. It has a tie detail going on in front. I'm not really a fan of tying detail, so I might end up tucking it into the bottoms, but it looks really nice. It looked so smart, so I had to get it, and this was for 250 rupees. Moving on to the next thing, it's a t-shirt. I had to get a t-shirt. I love t-shirts. So it's this Mickey Mouse t-shirt, or probably Minnie Mouse, I don't know. It's Mickey Mouse t-shirt. So it's from the shop. There are a couple of shops like next to the old tree opposite to Bixi, I think, or Incense. So there's a very famous shop that sells a lot of like branded bags, and you'll see every Sarojini Nagar video covering that particular shop. So it's just next to that, and I got this one for 250 rupees. Again, very nice, very soft, very comfortable. This is a print on it, but it doesn't look very like harsh and ऐसे inking सा chalky सा नहीं लगता है. So very soft. Again, I really like it and looks really nice on me as well. Next one is again a shirt. It's this shirt. It has these birds going on all over. It's a very soft material. I kid you not, guys. It's very soft. I think it's pure cotton. It's so breathable. और इसको छूने से ही अभी इतना ठंडा हो रखा है. I mean, it's so comfortable. It's gonna be so comfortable during the summers especially. So really nice. And this one was for I think 250 rupees or 200. I'm not sure, but I'll mention it in the screen, whatever the exact price is. So yeah, this is the third one. Full sleeves. Okay, yeah. Moving on to the next is a kurta. It's a sleeveless kurta, very nice. The length is perfect, how I like my kurtas to be. It's so nice. And again 100% cotton. It says it's from the brand Avasa. I don't know. It's cut sleeves, very smart, perfect for office wear or casual wear, anywhere. Very comfortable, so perfect for summers in general. It fits me right below my knees, so bomb. Again, very nice. I got this one for 200 rupees. So that was all the tops that I got. Okay, now moving on to bottoms. I have a total of 4 bottoms. 3 are something that I'm really proud of, and 1 is like my biggest regret of my Sarojini visits. I have 2 jeans, 1 trouser, and a denim skirt. I'll start with the trouser because I really like it. So it's this checkered sort of trouser. I hope you can see the pattern. It's like this. Very nice, very comfortable. It fits me so nicely. I cannot even tell you. It's very loose. Like it looks like a straight pants. I love that look. I've already worn it. Like I tried a look, and it's like I paired it up with a black basic t-shirt, full sleeves t-shirt, and paired it with white sneakers. It looked bomb. What I like to do is when I have like patterned bottoms, I like to keep my top wear solid, because then it's like print on print, and it's so that's just my personal preference. So मैं ऊपर का मैंने solid कलर का black कलर का रखा था, and I wore this. It looks so nice, and I think it's a branded product because थोड़ा सा ना टैगिंग से और उसके जिस तरीके से वो चिपके होता है ना, सारी चीज़ें उसमें लगी होती हैं, उससे थोड़ा सा पता चल जाता है. It says it's from your sixth sense. Never heard of it, but I overall liked it very much. I won't say the fabric is like the best in trousers that I've ever come across, but it's very breathable. It's very good for summers. Really nice. The next one I have is a denim skirt. You have to see this. It's so nice. It's this light wash denim skirt. Oh my god, it's so perfect in length. It's so perfect, I cannot tell you guys. It fits me really nicely. However, it's a little tight on my tummy because mota hai. Okay, so yeah, it's very nice. It's a light wash denim skirt. Oh sorry, I forgot to mention, I got this trouser in rupees 100 only, and again from those circular stands. Okay, now this one is from, I don't know what brand. It says okay, maybe it's a Korean brand because it says by Seoul. So yeah, really like it. I think the length is just perfect. When I visited the Sarojini last time, that was in like September, October 2019, I got one denim skirt then also, but then lockdown happened and मैं मोटी हो गई, वो मेरे को fit ही नहीं आती अब. So I got another one and this fits me really nicely. This is also a little tight as I said, but it's fine, I'll work it out. It's not uncomfortably tight, it's a little bit tight. And this was for 200 rupees. Okay, so the next pair that I have is a pair of blue jeans, and this is the best mom jeans, boyfriend jeans, loose jeans in broader category I've ever owned. This fits me so nicely. I was very skeptical when I was buying this whether it will fit me or not, but it looks so nice when I tried it on. I'm in love with this. So what happened was, this was the first thing that me and my sister was actually thinking of buying. So we saw 3 pair of jeans, 2 were for her and this was the one that I chose. And then he quoted I think around 450 or 550 rupees for each one, and he was not ready to bargain. Like, he was not coming down less than 400 rupees I guess. So we thought just let it be. हम चले गए थे, फिर वहाँ से हमने नहीं लिया था. And सब कुछ जब हो गया, we didn't find any good jeans and we went back to the shop. And luckily, I don't know how we got that lucky कि हमें वो तीनों pairs वापस से मिल गए. And then he gave us like all the 3 pairs in 840 rupees, so which is like 280 rupees for each pair. Great deal. It looks really nice. I'm in love with this jeans. Now, the last pair, and which is, I don't know what was I thinking while buying this. I mean, it's so bad. I do not use such harsh word like bad or very bad or so bad, but it's actually very bad, guys. Number one, I don't know how can I be so stupid. It has a hole right in front, like next to the zipper. It has this. Wait, you see this? And I still bought it. It was right in front of my eyes. मैंने देखा भी नहीं, पता नहीं कहाँ की जल्दी थी मेरे को. And मैंने फटाफट से इसको ले लिया. एंड इट्स हैज़ अ वेरी वियर्ड फिट. मतलब ये ऊपर से टाइट भी है, लूज भी है, एंड देन लेंथ इसकी एंकल लेंथ भी नहीं है, शॉर्ट भी नहीं है, पता नहीं क्या है, बहुत ही अजीब है ये. मतलब मेरे को लगता नहीं है मैं इसको कभी भी पहन पाऊँगी. इट्स अ टोटल वेस्ट. एंड अबव ऑल ये फटा हुआ है, कैसे पहनूँगी इसको. एंड आई गॉट दिस वन फॉर 200 रुपीज़. सो दिस वॉज अ श्योर वेस्ट ऑफ मनी. एंड I mean, this was quite surprising for me because मेरे को ना ऐसे I used to be very proud कि मेरे को ऐसे जो भी लगता है ना कि ये जीन्स मेरे को फिट हो जाएगा, वो यूजुअली बॉटम वेयर मेरे को फिट हो जाता था, बट not anymore. So yeah, that was it. These were all the pieces that I got. I hope you liked the video. Few things that I would like to tell you guys is please be safe. Don't go on weekends. Try to go from Monday to Friday or even Saturday, but just don't go on Sunday. Carry a water bottle because it's winters. Carry a mask. Take proper precautions. Carry a bottle of sanitizer. Make sure you wash everything once you come back home before you try it on. Once you come back home, take a nice deep hot bath so that you just wash yourself nicely and stay healthy. If you're planning to go there, stay safe, take all the precautions. That's about it. Okay, so that's it for this video, guys. I really hope you liked this video. If you did, please show some love, like, share and subscribe to my channel. It will mean the world to me. And yeah, let me know which pieces you like the most, and if you want to see more of such hauls, let me know that as well. That's it for this video, guys. I'll see you very soon with another such exciting video. Till then, take care and bye bye.